Hello, my dear lovely kids. So, today we are going to start a new chapter of English grammar, that is punctuation. Use of a capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, and a comma are called punctuation marks. Kids, we use punctuation marks in the sentence to make the meaning of the sentence more clear. Some of the punctuation marks are the full stop, the question mark, the exclamation mark, and the comma. Kids, in the bracket you can see that I have kept symbol of the punctuation marks. Capital letter are used to begin a sentence. Kids, always remember we use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. Now, what names should be always in capital form? Names of person, place, river, country and all proper nouns are written with a capital letter. It means the first letter of these names should be in a capital form. Now we will see the example. Sapna, Vijay, Delhi, Surat, India, Tapi, Himalaya. Kids, you can see that the first letter of each word is in the capital form. Now we will do the exercise. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letter. Number 1. Holi and Diwali are festivals. Now what will be the answer? H and D should be in capital form as the name of the festivals are given. Holi and Diwali are proper noun. So first letter should be capital. Number 2. Priya and Bhavna are friends. Now kids, in the answer you can see that P and B letter are capital as Priya and Bhavna are the proper noun. Number 3. I am never late for the school. Now what will be the answer? I should be capital. Kids, always remember that when I is alone, it's always in capital form. A full stop is a punctuation mark that is commonly placed at the end of sentence. Kids, always remember that if there is a simple sentence, we use full stop at the end of the sentence. Now we will see the example. He has a green t-shirt. This mango is very sweet. So at the end of the sentence there is full stop. A sentence that asks something is called a question or an interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark. Example 1. Why are you sad? Now in this sentence we are asking someone that why are you sad? So at the end of the sentence there should be question mark. Number 2. Do you play football? So in this sentence also we will use question mark at the end of the sentence. Students, remember that commonly the sentence which is interrogative sentence, the sentence will be start from WH. Insert question mark wherever necessary. Now we will do the exercise. Number 1. Would you like to have tea or coffee? Now the sentence is starting with W. In this question, we are asking someone that you like to have tea or coffee. So at the end of the sentence there will be question mark. Number 2. Why are you shouting? Now the sentence is starting with WH. So at the end of the sentence we will use question mark. Number 3. When is your birthday? Kids, again the sentence is starting with WH. So at the end of sentence there will be question mark. We use a comma to separate items in a series. Kids, now we will see the example. 1. I want a cake, 2 pastries and a chocolate. Now kids, in this sentence 2 or more items are there. So to separate them we will use comma. Number 2. There are blue, red and yellow cars. So 3 cars are there. Blue, red and yellow. So to separate them we will use comma. So after blue we have inserted a comma. Insert commas wherever needed. Number 1. East, west, north and south are the 4 main directions. Now the 4 directions are given. So to separate them we will use comma. And kids, remember that east, west, north and south, these are the main directions. So their first letter should be in capital form. Number 2. Sameer, Suraj and Jane are playing. So first letter should be capital and 3 names are given. So to separate them we will use comma. Now we will talk about exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used to express strong feelings or emotions like happy, sad, surprise and angry. Place exclamation marks in the following sentence. Now kids, we are talking about what? A lovely painting. The painting is very nice. We are describing our feelings. So at the end of the sentence we will use exclamation mark. Hooray! We have won the match. So after the hooray we will insert the exclamation mark. Wow! What a fine weather. Kids, in these 3 sentences we are talking about the feelings. So when we talk about the feelings we use the exclamation mark in the sentence. Rewrite the sentence using capital letters, full stop, comma and the question mark. Number 1. Sarojini Naidu was a freedom fighter. Kids, now in the sentence you can see that Sarojini Naidu is a proper noun. So its first letter should be in capital form. And this sentence is a simple sentence. So we will add full stop at the end of the sentence. Number 2. Cats, dogs, rabbits and fish are pets. Now kids, first letter should be capital and there are 4 animals named. So to separate them we will add comma in the sentence. Number 3. How is your mother? So kids, in this question we are asking someone something. So at the end of the sentence we will add question mark. And kids, always remember that the first letter of the sentence is always in a capital form. Number 4. Alas, he is no more. In this sentence we are talking about the feelings. So it will be alas, exclamation mark, he is no more. So kids, I hope you have understood this chapter very well. I am going to send you the PDF. You have to write down the PDF in your grammar textbook. Bye bye. Take care.